So today we're going to be making ginseng soup with black silky chicken. You're going to need dry Longan fruit, dry red dates, ginger, dry goji berries, ginseng, dried tangerine peel, lean pork, as well as the main ingredient are black silky chicken.
Give the chicken a good rinse. Remove the skin and any excess fat from the chicken. Separate the feet, legs, wings, and neck from the body. Give the chicken a good rinse. Blanch the chicken and the lean pork. Soak the dried tangerine peel and ginseng. You will need to cut the ginseng into little pieces. Remove the pit from the dried red dates. Strain and rinse the chicken with cold water. Score the lean pork and score the chicken. Add the chicken, lean pork, goji berries, tangerine peel, dried Longan fruit, and ginseng to the Instapot. Add the ginger and dried red dates. Add 2 liters of water. Stir and mix your ingredients, then set the Instapot to soup mode for 25 minutes.
So we've just opened our Instapot and look at all the beautiful ingredients. We've got the red dates, we've got the goji berries, we've got the Longan fruit, dry Longan fruit, we've got the ginseng here, we've got our silky chicken, and we've got our dried tangerine peels. So what we need to do right now is remove the oil. So if you look, and I'm skimming the top, you need to make sure you skim off all the oil before we add seasoning to the soup.
Add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a good stir and serve the soup hot.